This is the parameter selection dashboard. This section gives you a deeper look into what drives the forecasts for your farm, what we call your unique farm DNA. At the top, you can set the scope of what you want to explore. By default, the dashboard shows all crops. You can focus on a single crop, like wheat or barley, for a more specific view. Model selection. This filter lets you choose how much of the season's data the model uses. M1 model operates with limited January data for early season predictions. M12 model shows the actual records for rainfall and weather parameters from January through December. On the left chart, you'll see the parameters that the model has identified as most important for your farm. Think of these as the weights the model assigns. The higher the weight, the more influence that parameter has on your yield forecast. For example, the M6 model has selected minimum temperature in May thrice, which would have a significant impact on yields. On the right-hand side, you can explore how often parameters are selected. Let's switch to model M12. By default, the chart shows all crops combined. Let's keep it this way while we look at the first two views. Select parameter. This shows how many times the model selected a parameter overall. For example, the M12 model selected rainfall accumulated until April 9 times. Month plus parameter. This combines both, showing when a parameter mattered most. The axis labels here indicate the month, followed by the parameter and the database used. For example, the M12 model selected minimum temperature in May 3 times across all crops. Now, let's change the drop-down to look at just wheat. Select month. Here we can see which months had the most parameters selected for wheat specifically. In this case, the M12 model selected the highest number of parameters in September.